Life is a series of choices, each fraught with its own weight and consequence. The process of decision-making begins with self-reflection, understanding your values and priorities. Picture yourself under a tree, pondering your journey. It's here the clarity of what truly matters to you starts to surface. Knowing your core beliefs acts as a compass, guiding you through the dense forest of options. With a clearer sense of direction, it's essential to gather information. Imagine standing at a crossroads, each path beckoning with different prospects. Arm yourself with knowledge about each option. Weigh the pros and cons like a balanced scale. Seeking advice from trusted friends can add new perspectives, illuminating aspects you may not have considered. Life is rarely straightforward, but understanding potential outcomes gives you the power to choose wisely. Finally, trust your instincts. Visualize a calm lake reflecting the sky. Making decisions often requires a tranquil mind to hear your inner voice. Once confident, embrace your choice wholeheartedly. The beauty of decision-making lies in its inevitability. Accept that every choice leads to growth and learning, even if the outcome isn't what you envisioned. In the end, life is not a destination, but a journey shaped by the decisions you make. Be brave, be bold, and know that each step you take carves the path ahead. Reflect on your choices often. They shape the life you lead.